Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster meat. Start with the freshest lobsters, ideally live and active, to guarantee the best taste. You'll need a very large pot, big enough to completely immerse your lobsters. Fill it with water and add about 2 tablespoons of salt per quart, mimicking the ocean's salinity. This step is crucial for infusing flavor into the meat. Bring this water to a rolling boil before adding your lobsters. There are 2 main ways to cook lobster: boiling or steaming. Boiling is quicker, taking about 7 to 15 minutes for a 1.5 pound lobster. Steaming, which takes slightly longer, around 8 to 18 minutes, often yields a more tender and succulent meat. For a standard 1.25 pound lobster, 8 minutes of boiling or 10 minutes of steaming is usually perfect. Once your lobster is cooked, let it cool for a few minutes. It will still be very hot. To extract the meat, first twist off the claws and tail from the body. For the claws, use a nutcracker or a small mallet to gently crack the shell, being careful not to crush the delicate meat inside. The tail meat can often be pushed out in one piece after a quick crack. Freshly cooked lobster meat is delicious, served simply with melted butter and a squeeze of fresh lemon. It's also incredibly versatile for other dishes. Consider adding it to a vibrant salad, tossing it with pasta for a luxurious meal, or making a classic lobster roll. Any leftover cooked lobster meat should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.